actually has a bottle named Diddy, so. All right, first clip. So what happened was Billy was on his way here and bro literally shredded his tire. So luckily for him, I have the exact tire size you need. I don't even know where it's somewhere over here. That's 255, 35, 19. Luckily, I had it as a spare for my BMW, so we're gonna go save his ass right now. Eamon, thankfully, has a fucking mobile tire machine. This is not fun. Not fun, but luckily we're saving this dude's ass. So we're gonna get this loaded up and then go save Philly's ass. There's the man himself. Bye, boy. Yeah, bro, always acting out. Bro's aura farming.
I was praying that wasn't a cup at the light.
There you go. Bro's gonna put all the force into getting this tire off. So we are currently sitting in front of Hero Garage because Eamon could not get the tire off. So right now we're just, we called Frank with Hero Garage. Shout out to the Hero Garage boys. Can't really see their shop, we'll see it in a bit. Frank's coming to try to take it off. He said they might be able to, they might not. So we're gonna find out pretty quickly. We're gonna try to attempt to take this tire off, put my tire on his super wheel, and then hopefully we can get Philly to get home. We were supposed to go street sliding tonight with everybody, but instead now we're just trying to change tires. Shout out to Eamon for trying. It just didn't work out, so we're just gonna go from here. All right, bro.
You see me? Is it good?
Yeah, I see you.
Like all clear and shit?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Looking all gay and shit.
Bro, what?
Looking all gay and shit, bro.
Don't look at my tire. Can you see the tire, dog?
Bro,
Damn,
bro's cooked. Is that the hole?
Yeah, right there.
Ow. Oh my gosh. Watch out, move your finger. Oh my.
Damn, that shit is clear.
It's terrible. Ow.
Yeah, you got that motherfucker.
Hell yeah. Oh, hopefully we can get this. But 19's a whole different ballpark.
19 did struggles. Come on, acting like it has fucking air and shit.
Yeah. It's totally out of air.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's the hard one. Me and Eamon tried we put so much power into it. And he's gonna double tap it.
This one's not reverse minded.
No, I don't think so. It's possible, but I don't believe so. Bro actually has a bottle named Diddy sauce. It's crazy.
Fucking Diddy sauce, dude. It's thick.
It's thick. Hold up.
Yeah, this dude's so fucking slick.
What's the secret formula for it? Bruh. Yeah, we got the tires mounted. It literally took forever to get the tires mounted. Shout out to Frank and Tony for getting it off. Philly got his tire on. It's 12:36 right now. No one wants to drift, and it's kind of late, so we're gonna call it a night. We didn't get no street drifting in. Maybe we'll get some next week, but. Psych!